Take one.
What am I getting up for tomorrow? Tomorrow, I'm going to achieve this.
If you don't put everything into the present moment, then you're just wishing your life away.
I'm always driven by what we could do, not by what we've done.
We're going to be born, we're going to die, and in between those two events, what are you going to do?
No one ever said narrow your horizons. At Discovery, we believe there's always more to know, to experience, to explore.
I'm not afraid of anything.
That life is about collecting moments, not things.
Yes!
So to everyone who shares our view, we say join us and make your world bigger. The experts, mavericks and pioneers who appear on Discovery have been spreading the Make Your World Bigger message through our advertising and social media. Our viewers and fans have been sharing their experiences and tips on how they make their worlds bigger too, with the best entries winning once-in-a-lifetime prizes. Make your world bigger is in our DNA. It's how we live our lives.
Time is so short. I just want to do as much as possible, as quickly as possible.
I want to tell my grandkids about all the stuff I did, not the stuff I wish I had done.
We're part of something bigger than just entertainment.
We've broadened more than 41 million horizons over the last 25 years. Here's to the next 25. Make your world bigger with Discovery.